Hello! Today we're going to be redoing an old recipe that I did a while back. We're going to go after Amish Macaroni Salad, but make it fancy right here on So I looked at my recipe and all the comments I got. And the first big comment I got was, I like Duke's instead of Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip's too much sugar. Yeah. Well, so do I. So do I. So in this bowl, I have 2 cups of Duke's Mayo. In this bowl, I'm going to place 1/2 cup of sugar. A lot less sugar than the original recipe. 1/2 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to put, here it is, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard instead of just the regular yellow mustard. Trust me. Rude. Hey. Yeah. Sorry about that. So that's 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard. Now, 1 pinch of salt. And we're going to whisk that up pretty good. So whiskey, whiskey, whiskey. Yeah, I got to look at it. If I don't look at it, it goes everywhere and then you all laugh at me. So whisk it up, whisk it up, whisk it up, whisk it up. And we're going to put it off to the side. Because this version is going to be highly vegetized. We're going to put lots of vegetables in it this time. We're going to put lots of goodies. So we're going to start with an onion. This is a Vidalia onion. They say you can take a bite of it and eat it. I'm not going to. But I am going to grate it. I don't think I'm going to put the whole onion in. But this way we get a little bit of the onion juice too. And I think that's going to add to it. Yeah, that's about right, isn't it? Okay. I'll put that down there. Now. Ooh. It's like calling the cows to come home. All right, we'll put that over here. Stop being silly. The original recipe, I had 1/4 cup of diced carrots. This is 1/2 carrot, diced. This is 1 stalk of celery, diced. And so far, that's it for the original recipe. Oh, I'm sorry, this is also in the original recipe. It's a bell pepper, but this is a whole small bell pepper, not just 1/4 cup. So that does it for those. But now, this is diced cucumber. And then we're going to add what's left of my cherry tomatoes after the deer got in them. Yeah, you ought to have seen them. They were cute. Yeah, they were cute while they're eating my produce. And we're going to put that in there. That's black olives, by the way. You don't have to do any of this. You can do what you do. But now I'm going to take this and I'm going to dump this into my pasta. Now the other comment I got was I shouldn't put it in on hot pasta. Well, this has been cooled. In fact, I rinsed it under the sink. So it shouldn't be as hot, and it shouldn't curdle the sauce, is what I was told it would do. I didn't think it did, but let's get the vegetables mixed in. And I do this just because of that. If I had sauce in here, I'd really make a mess. We stir this around a little bit. And then, if you remember the last time, I had boiled eggs in it. Yep, going to do it again because I like boiled eggs. Take an egg, put it in my handy dandy little egg slicer, and there it goes. Want to see that again? There it went. Keep on doing that. See, it makes slices. See slices? Yeah. All right. And yeah, there's 6 eggs here. It's egg heavy, which is one of those things that makes it Amish macaroni salad. So there are my 6 eggs. It's time. Mix these in a little bit, just a little. It's time for the sauce, which the vinegar somehow reacts with the mayo and everything in here and actually thickens it up a little bit, makes it creamier. So we're going to add that in. That's why I let it rest just a little bit. Put this in here. And mix it up. So much easier once you've got your vegetables in here to mix it, because you don't have to worry too much about splatter. And now, if a spoon was to magically appear in my hand to taste this with, it would be so much better. So let's see what I can do about that. Here comes a spoon. Spoon. Let's try this. This is not going to be what it tastes like after it sits in the fridge overnight. Trust me. But. It's not as sweet as the Miracle Whip version, but I'm curious to see what happens when it soaks into the noodles. So anyway, this has been the Amish Macaroni Salad revisited, souped up, whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe and all the other things that the YouTube people out there ask me to do. We'll see you next time. Bye.